Hey guys, we're out here on a little nature walk. Here in Kentucky, they got the, what's the name of the park?
Broad Run.
Broad Run Park. And we've been out here before in the past, but it's just so pretty. It's a natural rock formation that goes down like a little waterfall. All the way down here. The greenery out here is so beautiful. I just love how that cascades down. The water's not running right now, but you got rock face on either side.
Over there.
It's a bridge that you can walk over.
It's so far down.
Quite a bit of hardwoods and stuff out here.
Wait a minute, I found a bridge. See how long it's here.
So beautiful.
Let's see how long it takes. Let's see how long it takes to leave to fall.
Drop a leaf.
1, 2,
Oh, I lost it.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 seconds to get down there.
Look at that one. But us, it'll probably take 5.
Let's go over here on this side and see what we can find.
Heather, don't touch that.
Look at all the greenery down there. There's a nice little pond down in this area.
Oh yeah.
Well, I wouldn't say a pond, more of a puddle where the animals can get a drink. Big hardwood trees all down through here.
We've seen a deer down here.
Remember we did the nature walk trail, or I made one, we went down a ways. Alright. Flowering tree down there. It's real pretty. Alright, let's walk down that way and see what we can find.
Look, Lily. We made one. Ooh, that's scary. That open hole. We don't want to fall off.
You don't like heights at all, like me.
Yeah, no. I'm one of the top 10 fears. Water.
They have seating and stuff down through here for you to sit down and rest on the nature trail.
But I do like that. I'm fine with that.
Let's go down around the corner and explore. We're down the path a little ways here now. Lots of trees back in through here. Some big mature trees. I mean, look at the tree trunk back here behind you.
Oh wow!
It curves all the way up and around.
Oh, look at that! Look at that! Tree branch. It's like a snake.
Yeah, that's the walnut tree there.
Huh.
We found some honeysuckles. That was the flowering plants I couldn't think of.
There's
More honeysuckles in here. And lots of really pretty flowers. Heather, take them down there. I can't bend over.
There's a honeysuckle. It's got the honeysuckle. There's a big honeysuckle tree.
Look at the trunk there. It's got ivy growing up the trunk.
Wow.
See the ivy on the tree trunk?
There's some tall trees.
Come down there for you. I hope he's on the road and not on the path.
Yeah. I knew it was a truck. I was like,
I'm thinking it was right here that we walked down into the woods.
yeah.
I'm thinking it was there
Yeah, me too.
in the past when it was nice and
Looks like a
dry.
path.
Yeah, we walked down in a ways before spring hit and all the foliage come out.
And all the coldness.
Yeah, it's not bad at all today.
Well, that's oddly strange.
Pretty warm.
It's just the stem with a tiny bit of little pop ups on top.
I'm not sure what those are.
Look at these.
Maybe small seedlings they put in.
Look at these. Look, it's fuzzy.
Huh.
It's fuzzy.
Certain type of plant there.
Like really fuzzy. How do I feel that? It's fuzzy. I don't know if that's fuzzy or not. I'm gonna be touching it. Fuzzies. There's so many of them too.
Some pretty flowers.
I'm pretty sure those are stinging metals.
Look down in that ravine there.
I'm pretty sure these are stinging metals.
Stinging nettles. Actually, you can get the stinging nettles and make a tea from it at the grocery store, or if you have some. and know exactly how to make it. And it's got a lot of good health properties to them.
It feels like felt.
Felt on there, yes.
Yeah, on the thing. There's a little
I'm not sure. I think that's walnut trees.
Bouquet of purple flowers down there. Oh, there's purple flowers down there. This feels
Oh,
like
wow.
a felt.
Here.
You want me to walk down there? Here's some purple flowers. More right down there. And then you turn, and then there's yellow flowers. Wow. Hey guys, I just found some more of these flowers. Super pretty. And just a bunch of weird things out here.
Walnut tree.
It is a very old walnut tree.
Come over here and you might be able to see more of it. Pretty good size. And when we lived in Council Grove, Kansas, we had one in our backyard that would dwarf this one. They said it was around 200 years old. We collect walnuts. Oh, look at the leaf that you found. My goodness, that's a good size one.
Yeah. That's cool.
I'm not sure where that come off of.
Look how big the stem is.
Yeah, have to
Whoa.
show that to Grandma and Great Grandma up in the car. Just
Dang.
hold on to it.
Hey guys, these are a bunch of honeysuckles. Don't we have like 5 or 6 types of honeysuckles at our house? Yeah. That's cool.
I don't know about different types, but we have a lot of honeysuckles.
Yeah, honeysuckles.
Researched anything as far as variety of it.
And I found some white flowers over here. Yeah. Over here too? And then right beside them, it's purple. There's more. And right beside them is more purple. It's just so beautiful out here. And yeah. So we're gonna keep walking and see what we can find.
I think we hit the mother lode here. We've got the purple flowers in several locations. There's a bunch of them here.
Wow, there's a bunch of them.
They found nutrients they like, I guess, in the soil, and boy, they're really every which way you look. All back in here underneath the fallen trees. Back in this corner. Yep. All the way back through there. Big clusters. Really beautiful colors, and yellow flowers seem to grow in with them. Lots of different variety of grasses and plants. I wish I knew what most of these were. Yeah, more in between the tree. Yeah, more. All kinds of different green varieties. Yes, the whole field back there is full of them. Purple everywhere you look. All right, well, we're going to head back. Come on up here. There's a gorilla in the mist over here. Come on out of the bush, gorilla. What'd you find?
A red centipede.
A centipede.
See him?
Here. Show him.
See?
Show him. What you got?
Is it paused?
Nope. I'll try to zoom in. Show him what you got.
Right there's a red centipede. It's amazing. Here he is. Sorry, I'm so shaky. Just excited. But yeah, we're gonna see what else we can find. So yeah.